Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 7. So in the last class we have started with the exercise number 1.1. In that I have completed the first part. In the second part you are going to solve evaluate A, that is first question. I am going to solve some examples. I am going to solve in the second main, and some more two examples are there. You have to solve by yourself and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Just see here all of you. First one A, that is 15 minus into minus 25. See here, I am going to solve here. See the question, first one, 15 minus of minus 25. So that is first one, 15 minus of minus 25. Okay, so see now 15 as it is. Okay, so all of you know that minus into minus is plus 25. So now see 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 carry here, so 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1, that is 40. So 15 plus 25, I got the result as 40. Okay, so what I done? So see here all of you, 15 minus of minus 25, which is equals to 15 as it is. Minus into minus is plus of 25. So 25, or you can do this addition if you not understood. 25 plus of 15. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 carry here. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. That is 40. Okay, so this is your first problem. Okay, so second question you are having as, so see here all of you, second one, minus 42 minus of minus 30 plus of minus 50. So see here, minus 42 minus of, that is minus 30 plus of minus 50. So see here, minus 42 minus sign as it is. Remove these brackets, minus 30. Next is plus into minus is minus 50. Okay, so now see minus 42 as it is. Minus 42 as it is. So minus sign as it is. So see here, just solve this, minus 30 and minus 50. So whenever you are adding the two negative integers, that you have to do the sum, and minus sign you have to keep as it is. Okay, so whenever you are adding the two negative integers, just you have to add, and minus sign you have to keep as it is. So see here, 30 minus 50 is minus 80. Okay, so now just remove this bracket. Just I am going to solve here. After this step I am solving here, that is minus 40. I will note down this first, minus 42. Next of, remove this bracket, minus into minus is plus of 80. So I have to solve now 80 minus of 42. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 carry, that is 10 minus 5, which is equals to 3, that is 38. So minus 42 plus 30 plus 80 is, I got the result as 80. So that is 38. So 10 minus 2 is 8, 1 carry here, 8 minus 5 is 38. So these are the two problems in the evaluate process. That is, first one is 15 minus of minus 25. Second one minus 42 minus of in the bracket minus 30 plus of minus 50. So these are the two examples. Go through this video and note down, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. So next you are having the third part. In the third part you are going to study the complete the sequence part. So next part you are going to study the complete the sequence. So first one is third part. In that I am going to solve the two examples. Remaining 2 to 3 examples are there. You have to solve by yourself, and you have to send on my WhatsApp number. Just I will show these two examples how to solve. So see here, so this is a sequence, that is 1 4 7, next comma 10. Next they are given to solve, find out these two numbers. Okay, now see, I already told D, that is find first D. Just name this A1, A2, A3, A4, find A5 and A6. Okay, so this is an incomplete sequence. First you have to write, this is an incomplete sequence. Incomplete sequence. This is an incomplete sequence. So first one, see A1, A2. So D is equals to, we have the formula A2 minus A1. So this is A2 minus A1. What is your A2? Your A2 is 4, minus sign as it is, A1 is 1. So now see 4 minus 1, which is equals to 3. Okay, so 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So this is your difference. Now just add in this sequence, you will get first one, that is 1 plus 3, which is equals to 4. Next one, second one, what is our answer? 4. Take that 4, add with the difference, plus 3. 4 plus 3, which is equals to 7. Next one, third one, 7 plus 3, which is equals to 10. What you are getting the answer, you have to add with the difference. Difference you got as 3. Next 10, fourth one, go through the 4. 10, take this as it is 10. 10 plus 3 is equals to 13. Next, fifth one, that is 13 plus of 3, which is equals to 16. Sixth one, 16 plus 3, which is equals to 19. Now see, you are having the sequence, you see here 1, the complete sequence I can write here, the complete sequence I am getting this is here, that is 1 4 7 1 4 7 10, and after 10 I got the number as 13. Next after that 16, and the last term is 19. Okay, so the last term is 19 and the complete sequence is 1 4 7 10. The incomplete sequence which we find it, the numbers 13 16 and 19. So 19 is your last term. So in this way you have to complete the incomplete sequence. First thing what you have to do, this is an incomplete sequence. First use this difference formula. Difference formula you are having as A2 minus A1, that is means second term minus first term. Second term is 4, first term is 1. 4 minus 1, so 4 minus 1, which is equals to 3. So this, taking this difference, add with this number, so that is 1 plus 3, which is equals to 4. Again 4 plus 3, again which is equals to 7. So just go on adding with plus 3. So just add here plus 3 with this sequence, plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, you will get the required answer 13 16 and 19. So this is your process. Just you have to go through this procedure and you have to solve. And one more example I am going to solve, that is from your third main part, that is example is minus 108 comma minus 1118 comma minus 128. Again these two we have to find, and one more is remaining, that is the last term. Okay, so see here, this is the last part. So see example B1, minus 108 minus 118 minus 128, and this is two terms I need to find, and last term is, that is minus 158, and last term I need to find. So again this is an incomplete sequence. So see here, again we know the formula, that is D is equals to A2 minus A1. So just I will denote this as A1, A2, A3. I need to find A4, A5, A6. I know I need to find A7. Okay, so I need to find A4, A5 and A7. So again we know that this is an first statement I had write, this is an incomplete sequence. Incomplete sequence. This is an incomplete sequence. So see here, D is equals to, you know, that is A2 minus of A1. So A2 is equals to minus 118, minus sign operation as it is. Next is minus of 108. Okay, so now see, minus 118 as it is, minus into minus is plus, plus of 108. So again, whenever you are having one negative integer, one positive integer, first you need to subtract. First you need to subtract this. First, that is, you will get this as 118 minus 10. So 118 minus of 108. So 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1, and this is 0. So you get this as minus 10. So you'll get this as d is equals to, you will get this as minus 10. So d is equals to minus 10. Now by taking the difference, you need to find the complete sequence. Okay, so now see, minus first one. First one you are having as minus 108 minus 10. If I add the minus 10, whenever we are, that is rule 2, whenever we add two negative integer, again we'll get a negative integer. So see here, minus 108 minus 10, we add these two, it is minus 118. Next, second one, minus 118 minus 10, you will get this as minus 128. Just go on adding the 10, and just minus sign you have to keep as it is. Just you have to add this number and you have to keep this sign as it is. Now see third one, minus 128 minus of 10. So you will get this as minus 138. And after fourth one you will get this minus 138 minus of 10, which is equals to, you get is minus 148. Okay. And fifth one, minus 148 minus of 10, you will get this as minus 158. Okay. So next, sixth one, that is your last, minus 158 minus of 10, you will get this as minus 168. So see here, first order, this is an incomplete sequence. So d is equals to a2 minus a1. a2 is again minus 118 minus, that is, you have to take the difference formula, minus, in the bracket you have to write minus 108. Minus into minus is plus, minus 118 as it is. So that is minus 118 plus of 108, which is d is equals to minus 10. So just put in this incomplete sequence, just add this minus 10, you will get the complete sequence. So first term is minus 108, just add with this minus 10. If I add this minus 10, I got this here as 118, and take this answer here, again add the minus 10, you got minus 128. Again take this third answer, this second one answer in the third equation, minus 128 minus 10, which is equals to minus 138. And after that, minus 138 as it is, add minus 10, you get minus 148. Minus 148 as it is, add minus 10, you get minus 158. Minus 158, again you take them, add minus 10, you get minus 168. Just fill this sequence. Thus you can write, thus the complete sequence. Thus the complete sequence, is, that is, minus 108 minus 118 comma minus 128 minus 138 comma minus 148 comma minus 158 comma minus 168. Okay, so this is the complete sequence. And remaining examples, these all are incomplete sequence. So these examples you have to note down and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number, and remaining two examples are there, you have to solve by yourself using the same method, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. So in the next video I am going to solve, that is the third part, that is fourth part of your exercise.